Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can crop documents and its pages in the Bluebeam Revu application. So let us guide you through this. So launch the Bluebeam Revu application, access your PDF document to text. I will go with this one. What you want to do guys is click into badge here at the top and choose crop and page setup. Next, what you want to do is select the document, which is this one here. Click into next, and then from that menu guys, what you want to do is switch from page setup to crop pages, and here use these options, for example, to crop the document to the left, to the right, by using these up and down arrows, and you will see the cropping here to the right in the preview. So let me go with unit 2, and here as well you can also enter the value or use these buttons as previously mentioned, and that's how it works. You can also go with, for example, one of these select boxes here. I will go with the crop box, click into OK, and as you can see, the document has been cropped. However guys, some content on the given document may leave the frame, as you can see, like with this drawing here. So yeah, that depends on the on your cropping setup guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.